What do you want?
I'm just looking at you. Your beautiful face.
Oh.
Next to this beautiful yellow RX-8.
Wow.
Anyway, so what's going on, guys? It's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin. It's started to get nicer outside, which is awesome. Got all the nice cars out. So we're headed to the WCEC Season Openers today. It's the first, I guess, the first club organized car meet. So we're gonna take you along for a ride of that. Take you along for that. We got 3 complete opposite cars, opposite colors, came from all different ends of the planet. So it's kind of cool. So yeah, take you along for the ride for that.
What we got here, Michael?
Got Nissan with a big turbo.
Ooh.
Nice S13 hatch. All right, next to it's nice
really
S14.
nice.
It looks like there's another S14 right behind that lane.
Yeah, so we're inside the car show area where the super nice builds are, like this S13 right here. So we're just gonna continue going around and just checking out all the cars. So we're making our way on over to the next spot, or next car show area with all the nice vehicles, and ran into a couple of buddies, so we've been talking a little bit, but here we go. Alright, so we're kind of done for the day. We gotta go take care of a few things, get some lunch because we kind of skipped lunch. But we're gonna head out. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the WCEC opener. It was nice to see cars. It's good to see friends. Meet up with Danny and Party Mike and see how they're doing. And we're gonna go check out this RX-8 and go from there. Please like, comment, subscribe.